Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user access controls with Okta, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Security tab located on the top menu. Select Administrators from the drop-down options. Click on Add Administrator to create a new admin role if needed. Fill out the required fields such as name and email address. Assign the appropriate privileges based on the user's responsibilities. Once completed, click Save to create the new administrator. Next, go to the Directory section in the side menu. Choose Directory Integrations to manage your user data sources. Click on Add Directory to connect Okta with your identity provider. Follow the prompts to configure the connection settings. Verify the integration once setup is complete. Now, navigate to Applications in the side menu. Click on Add Application to set up access controls for users. Search for the application you want to integrate with Okta. Select it and follow the setup instructions to connect it. Once the application is added, configure the access settings. Assign access to users or groups based on your organization's needs. Go to the Access Policies section under the Application Settings. Create a new access policy that defines who can access the application. Set conditions such as user location or device type for finer control. Save your access policy once all criteria are set. Next, head over to Lifecycle Management in the dashboard. Enable Lifecycle Management to automate user provisioning and deprovisioning. Configure the rules so that users are automatically created or disabled based on their role changes. Ensure that the synchronization between Okta and your identity provider is functioning. Test the automation by creating a test user in your identity provider. Monitor if the user is provisioned correctly in Okta. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.